With Luma's Genie, you can create 3D images from text within seconds. In order to do that, just go to their website, sign up with your free email, and then log in there and start creating. Once you log in, you can also look at the field's dashboard for various featured captures, and you can appreciate the quality of these images which have been created by a lot of people out there. The site is still evolving, so you might experience a bit of a lag, but nonetheless the quality of the generated images is awesome, as you can see here, as they are from different um, genres, from various part of the world of different kinds, but everything looks so real. You can also read about their best practices, which is quite interesting. Once you log in, you will be presented by with a screen like this, where you can just type any text you want, and then it will create something for you. So maybe I'll just say a kangaroo pretending, maybe a kangaroo pretending to be alien, just a random stuff. Let's see, let's wait for it to finish. I'm not pausing the video, just want to show you that how quick their generation is. And there you go. So you can see that how close to the reality it is. This top right one seems like from movie It. Amazing stuff. And then you can retry it if you like. I have pressed retry, and then let's see what it does here. So you can imagine your creativity is the limit here. And there you go. So it has produced yet another stuff. Let's click here, and then let's ask it something else. Let's ask it an aggressive Pakistani girl. Let's see. Whether it recognizes ethnicity or not. Okay, I'm not sure what this bottom left is about, but quite funny, as you can see. And then look at the face expression, seems like an aggressive to me. Okay, I'll just say an Australian dressed as American. Let's see what happens here. That is quite funny. It is just about dressing, it seems. Let's ask it another thing. A robot pretending to be a human. And you can see the speed of it and the quality, and I'm just giving it some random stuff, and there you go. So you can play around with it as you like, and if you click on creations here, and this is what I have just created, which you can go from here and read further about it. And once you click it, it will just take you here, where it is saying that a kangaroo pretending to be an alien. And then you can do some variations here, and also select the high, low, medium, and you can download it too and make high resolution. If I click on variations, then I can create some more here. So I just clicked on it, and it is creating yet another variation. There you go. Now if you click on top right, there are a few other tools which you can check. You can also use their app here, and you can also do video to 3D API, of course, and this is Genie is what we have seen. And then there are few of the interactive scenes which you can also try it out, and you can also use the web edition for it. So if I click on start now on the web one, then it is going to load it, and from here you can upload a file. So I have just uploaded one of my own video file. I'll just call it testing, camera type normal, private, and I can even remove the human from here. but I'll just go with it. I'll just say upload. It is uploading. Let's wait for upload to finish. Shouldn't take too long. My video is queued now. So it is stuck there for the last 15 minutes. Let me refresh it to see if it proceeds further. So it says failed. Okay, so I'm not going to try it again. But I think there are some prerequisites which we need to make, like from multiple sources or something like that. Anyway, seems like a good tool, still evolving, because I was even facing some issues during the sign up and login. But all in all, a good idea. And as you can see that from text to 3D images, it was really good. So hopefully they will also improve the rest of the video stuff. So that's it, guys. I'll drop the link to this website in video's description. Try it out and let me know how it goes. And if you are liking the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.